Are you looking for the best pellet smokers? In this video we will look at some of the best pellet smokers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Z-Grill's Pellet Smoker. First on our list is a pellet smoker from the house of Z-Grills. The Z-Grill's ZPG 7002B 2021 is an upgraded wood pellet grill and a smoker that comes in an 8-in-1 functionality. This rotisserie has a total of 8 features embedded into a single device. 8-in-1 model that serves as a barbecue, wood-fire pellet grill, smoking machine, baker, roast, braise, and more. Upgraded technology for better temperature management that will keep your meat hot to within 10 degrees of the preset temperature irrespective of the outside temperatures. 20 pounds of wood pellets can serve to cook food up to a whole of 20 hours, thus being effective than gas or electric smokers. The single button-based operation makes it very easy to operate and use by basically anyone and everyone. Upgraded digital control board allows for auto ignition and has temperature settings to change from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This upgrade also gives you better pellet feed control systems as well. The automatic electric feed system will help you maintain the aforementioned stable temperature by optimizing the smoke output. LED screen for temperature readout and other data display as well. Comes with a special waste oil collector that will allow you for easier and safe cleanup later. The caster wheels allow for easier transportation from indoors to outdoors and beyond. 700 square inches of large grilling area with a smoking rack of 6.9 inches x 27.5 inches. The hopper has a total of 20-pound storage capacity. Made out of high-quality stainless steel material that has a polished finish and is heavily resistant against corrosion. It also comes with a free cover that can be used to cover up the grill when you are out and not using it. Number 2. Camp Chef Pellet Smoker. Camp Chef has been providing a wide range of smokers for the past 30 years. Their DLX pellet smoker has made to our list because of its features and efficiency. This smoker comes with a unique design and complete black finish which adds elegance to your outdoor area. It has come amazing features as well that include ash cleanout system which makes cleaning much easier compared to others. Because of temperature control system and auger work, it provides consistent and precise cooking experience. It comes with a temperature range between 160 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. You can set the precise temperature effortlessly using PID controller. The control system of this smoker is quite simple and easy to operate. Comes with 2 meat probes. It has cord management and grease management system. A side attachment called sidekick or sear box is provided along with the smoker. Number 3. Traeger Pellet Smoker. Next up on our list is a pellet smoker with a very large smoking/cooking area. The Traeger grills comes with an 884 square inches large cooking capacity. The Traeger TFB 88 PZBO Pro Series 34 is a bronze-colored pellet grill of a heavy-duty nature. 6-in-1 mode of a smoking pellet grill. Can be used for grilling, cooking, baking, roasting, braising, barbecue and also for smoking as well. Has a total cooking space of 884 square inches. To put things in perspective, it can accommodate up to 7 racks of ribs or maybe 8 chickens or maybe about 40 burgers. Comes with a precision temperature control option that will give you the ability to maintain the temperature and control it easily till a plus or 15 degrees Fahrenheit level. This enables you to grill perfectly. The Digital Pro controller enables easier and simpler control of the smoker with functions such as set and goes etc. Made out of high quality and durable stainless steel metal. It is given a neat powder-coated finish that will make it easy to clean, maintain, and make sure it does not rust away easily. Has a total of 34 wood pellet capacity in all and the hopper has a total of 18 pounds capacity. The porcelain grill grates enable for non-stick cooking and are very easy to clean post-cooking. Warranty. Though there seems to be a warranty, there is no proper mention of it in the literature. Warranty is not specified anywhere. Number 4. Pit Boss Pellet Smoker. Pit Boss, for ultimate grilling and smoking experience. Crafted with precision from robust stainless steel. Its sleek two-tone design in black and mahogany adds a touch of class to my outdoor cooking setup. Its choice of fuel 100% all-natural hardwood pellets. Spacious 465 square in. Cooking area. Natural hardwood pellet for smoky flavor. Easy digital control with LED display. Versatile cooking for various foods. Durable stainless steel construction. Removable upper cooking rack for extra space. Fan-forced convection for even cooking. 5-pound hopper capacity for extended use. Two-tone black and mahogany finish for style. Environmentally friendly with fewer emissions. Precise temperature control for perfect results. Quick ignition and consistent heat distribution. Number 5. Z Grill's 7002E Pellet Smoker. Z Grill's wood pellet smoker grill, a powerhouse of versatility and convenience for your outdoor cooking adventures. Crafted with precision from stainless steel, this pellet grill is designed to elevate your grilling experience. Digital panel control for easy temperature monitoring. 697 SQ/in cooking space and an ultra-large 20 pounds. 8-in-1 versatility for various cooking techniques. Unique smoking technology for rich smoky flavor. Sturdy stainless steel construction for durability. Superior mobility with wheels and handle. Effortless cooking with auto temperature control. Diverse cooking options for experimentation. Built to last with corrosion-resistant stainless steel. Mobility for outdoor barbecue enjoyment. Warranty: Z Grill's wood pellet smoker come with a 3-year warranty. Heavier weight, 84 pounds, may limit portability. Requires wood pellets as a fuel source. Large capacity design, 697 SQ/in cooking space and ultra-large 20 pounds hopper allow you to place all at once and cook efficiently. Perfect for various gatherings, feasts and barbecue entertainment. Convenient smoking features an easy-to-use digital panel control for accessible monitoring of the internal temperature. Our pellet grill will do all the work for you once you set the temperature. Super easy cooking even for beginners. 8-in-1 versatility: bake, grill, smoke, barbecue, roast, braise, barbecue, and char grill. Empower you to experiment with various cooking techniques and easily create a diverse range of dishes. Better smoked flavor, unique smoking technology and temperature control system ensure that your food retains its original flavors while slow cooking, delivering a rich smoky taste. Built to last, sturdy construction equipped with a stainless steel lid retains heat, resists corrosion, and makes the pellet grill long-lasting. Bringing you years of ultimate wood-fired grilling experience. Superior mobility, equipped with 2 rugged wheels and a convenient handle, so you can easily move your pellet smoker wherever you like and savor the wonderful outdoor barbecue with friends and family.